In this edited extract, Lady Macbeth persuades Macbeth to kill King Duncan. We will proceed no further in this business. He hath honoured me of late, and I have bought golden opinions from all sorts of people, which would be worn now in their newest gloss, not cast aside so soon. Was the hope drunk wherein you dressed yourself? Hath it slept since, and wakes it now to look so green and pale, at what it did so freely? From this time such I account thy love. Art thou afeard to be the same in thine own act and valour as thou art in desire? Wouldst thou have that which thou esteemest the ornaments of life, and live a coward in thine own esteem, letting I dare not wait upon I would, like the poor cat in the adage? Prithee, peace. I dare do all that may become a man. Who dares do more is none. What beast was then that made you break this enterprise to me? When you durst do it, then you were a man. And to be more than what you were, you would be so much more the man. If we should fail? We fail, but screw your courage to the sticking place, and we'll not fail. What does it mean to persuade somebody to do something? What methods do people use to persuade other people? Is it wrong to persuade someone to do something that they are reluctant to do? What do people mean when they talk of behaving like a man or a woman? And what is the problem with categorizing behavior in this way?